You're probably thinking I'm going to skip over this video after about 5 seconds, and I'm here to tell you that you could be putting you and your family in jeopardy in doing so. What I'm about to share with you will most likely cause you some discomfort. You're probably thinking, all right, what's this guy trying to sell me? And you're right, I sell life insurance for a living, and I meet Canadian families like yours each and every day. Now, most couples I meet with will take out a life insurance policy, but when it comes down to critical illness protection, I'm usually met with an uncomfortable silence. Not right now, or it's not within our budget, maybe later. Listen, I adore my children and my family more than anything in life, and I'm sure most of you are the same. And so I ask you to think long and hard about the following scenarios. If that minor chest pain that you've been experiencing turns out to be heart disease, do you want the financial freedom and the ability to take time off work to care for your health? Do you want to be able to focus on recovering your health rather than worrying about how you're going to pay the bills if you can't work? If your yearly mammogram reveals breast cancer, would you reevaluate your life? Would you want to quit your job and maybe spend more time with your kids? If you suffered from a critical illness like cancer or heart attack or stroke, would you slow down? Would you take more time for yourself? Would you spend more time with loved ones? Would you maybe de-stress and travel more? Do you have the funds available to stop working and do those things? If you're without critical illness insurance, you are leaving yourself and your family open to financial hardship and stress. What do you think your main focus should be if your loved one gets a critical illness? Do you want to focus on your health? Listen, I don't want to bore you with stats, but quite frankly, they are frightening. You could choose to sweep this under the carpet, which is what I see most Canadian families do. Please don't do that. Please don't make that mistake. I cannot tell you how many real-life stories I'm faced with day in, day out. If you love your family as much as I love mine, and you agree that health and recovery should be your only focus when confronted by a critical illness, please click anywhere on the screen, and I will get in touch with you, and we can talk about your critical illness coverage right away.